Question 1 is what is an adverb? Answer 1 is a word that describes a verb. Question 2 is which word is an adverb? Answer 2 is quickly. Question 3 is choose the sentence with the adverb. Answer 3 is she runs very fast. Question 4 is what is an adverb of time? Answer 4 is tomorrow. Question 5 is what does an adverb describe in a sentence? Answer 5 is a verb. Question 6 is select the adverb in this sentence. He sings beautifully. Answer 6 is beautifully. Question 7 is which word is an adverb of frequency? Answer 7 is often. Question 8 is choose the correct sentence. Answer 8 is she runs fast. Question 9 is select the correct adverb in the sentence. She sings loudly. Answer 9 is loudly. Question 10 is what type of adverb is in the sentence, the dog barks loudly? Answer 10 is adverb of manner. Question 11 is which word is an adverb in he speaks clearly? Answer 11 is clearly. Question 12 is what type of adverb is used in the sentence, we will meet soon? Answer 12 is adverb of time. Question 13 is choose the correct sentence. Answer 13 is she is singing softly. Question 14 is what does the adverb never mean in the sentence, I never eat sweets? Answer 14 is not ever. Question 15 is which adverb describes the verb in this sentence? He always listens to music. Answer 15 is always. Question 16 is which word is an adverb in they will leave tomorrow? Answer 16 is tomorrow. Question 17 is what type of adverb is used in the car is very fast? Answer 17 is adverb of degree. Question 18 is identify the adverb, the children played outside yesterday. Answer 18 is yesterday. Question 19 is which word is the adverb in the bird flies high? Answer 19 is high. Question 20 is, in the sentence, she sings beautifully, which word is the adverb? Answer 20 is beautifully. Question 21 is, what is the adverb in, she ran quickly to the store? Answer 21 is quickly. Question 22 is, which of these is an adverb of frequency? Answer 22 is never. Question 23 is, what does the adverb often describe in I often read books? Answer 23 is how often. Question 24 is, choose the correct adverb. She finished the task quickly. Answer 24 is quickly. Question 25 is, which word is an adverb in he sings more beautifully than her? Answer 25 is more. Question 26 is choose the sentence that correctly uses an adverb. Answer 26 is she sings softly. Question 27 is what kind of adverb is used in she answers questions quickly? Answer 27 is adverb of manner. Question 28 is which sentence contains an adverb of place? Answer 28 is the cat runs upstairs. Question 29 is select the adverb in the sentence, I always brush my teeth in the morning. Answer 29 is always. Question 30 is what is the adverb in the sentence, he is walking very slowly. Answer 30 is slowly. Question 31 is identify the adverb in she sings loudly at the concert. Answer 31 is loudly. Question 32 is which word is an adverb of manner? Answer 32 is quickly. Question 33 is what type of adverb is used in he arrives late every day? Answer 33 is frequency. Question 34 is choose the adverb that modifies the verb in she swims faster than her brother. Answer 34 is faster. Question 35 is what kind of adverb is in the sentence he will arrive tomorrow? Answer 35 is adverb of time. Question 36 is what is the adverb in she reads very fast? Answer 36 is fast. Question 37 is what does the adverb almost mean in I almost finished my homework? Answer 37 is not quite. Question 38 is what type of adverb is soon in the bus will come soon? Answer 38 is adverb of time. Question 39 is which word is the adverb in she works very hard? Answer 39 is very. Question 40 is what type of adverb is never in he never eats vegetables? Answer 40 is frequency. Question 41 is which word is an adverb in they answered the question correctly? Answer 41 is correctly. Question 42 is what is the adverb in the sentence, she studied hard for the exam? Answer 42 is hard. Question 43 is which word is the adverb in they danced beautifully? Answer 43 is beautifully. Question 44 is what does the adverb carefully mean in she painted the picture carefully? Answer 44 is with attention. Question 45 is choose the adverb she quickly ran to catch the bus. Answer 45 is quickly. Question 46 is what is the adverb in the sentence he speaks loudly in class? Answer 46 is loudly. Question 47 is what type of adverb is always in she always listens to music? Answer 47 is frequency. Question 48 is what is the adverb in the children played outside happily? Answer 48 is happily. Question 49 is identify the adverb in the sentence he sings better than her. Answer 49 is better. Question 50 is what is the adverb in the sentence she sings very well? Answer 50 is well. Like this quiz? Show your support by hitting like and subscribing to our channel for more amazing content. Stay tuned.